Alright, what's up, y'all? This is day 2. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't really start recording before I got into this trade because I just simply woke up not in the mood. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I woke up and I added. This low key kind of cheating, but I added an extra $300 into the account so we'd be able to switch over to margin and we'd be able to enter and do consistent day trades. So I'll be able to enter more than one trade a day. I'm finna start the screen record real quick. 3, 2, 1. Screen record. I already didn't enter into this trade. I entered like at this level, low key. And I'm finna click back real fast so y'all can see how much we up. As y'all can see, I added like $300 into the account to get us to like 2100, but we up 284 right now. So yeah, and it's just the start. I did this so I'll be able to do day trades, because now if I want to, I can get out of this trade and still make another trade without having to wait until the money settles. But as y'all can see, this was just a great setup. I would have been up way more if I would have got in right when market opened. I knew that it was gonna shoot down before even looking at anything. I normally don't hop in. I told you I normally trade at 9 o'clock. It's literally, I got in probably like 3 minutes when market open. It's 8:43 right now. But I knew it was gonna drop just because this, first of all, this long candle, I knew it was gonna come down and it was gonna test this 490 level. If it holds below this 490 level, it's gonna continue to drop. But I gotta see what this next candle do. If this next candle don't form red, or another, if this one forms red and then another green candle starts, I'm gonna probably just get out of this trade and wait to see if it wanna go back and retest this high point right here. But yeah, man, we up about $300 in 13 minutes of the market. I'm gonna probably just set a stop loss and let it do what it's gonna do. But yeah, I just wanted to come and fill y'all in and let y'all know why I got in early and all of that. And I'm gonna explain to y'all why I got out the trade a little later, or if I end up staying in. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. This is a prime example of why I just love trading, bro. Like, I know this will look crazy, I'm in the bed, but the day I don't feel like, let me start the screen record. 3, 2, 1. As y'all can see, man, the day I don't feel like really doing it, I don't know, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed for real. But y'all can see I stayed in the trade. It was coming up a lot to the point where I was thinking about exiting, but I stayed in because it wasn't really holding. Like, it formed one green candle and then continued to drop. So I was like, I'm just gonna hold and see where it's at. And yeah, this is the best day. I'm finna click back so y'all can see how much we up on the day. As y'all can see, $1,000, bro. And I wasn't in the, I'm not even in the mood. I'm laying down. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed to the point where I didn't even feel like getting up and sitting at the table like I normally do, bro. And that's what I mean by like trading. It's really like, it's taking over. It dropped a little bit. Y'all can see it's at 970 right now, but it's crazy what trading can do. So just this number that we at right now, just subtract what, 330 from it. So 330 minus this is like 2700, a little bit over 2700. So right now we at 2700. I know y'all gonna probably say I cheated a little bit because I added the 350 in order to do the margin, but I am gonna end up taking it back out now that we're over the 2K mark. I just wanted to be at margin, so if I wanted to do more than one trade in a day, I can. So hopefully y'all don't say I cheated the challenge. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, bro, up $1,000, bro. $1,000 in a day. and it's been like an hour. I've been in this trade for like an hour. As y'all can see, boom. And it was up even more than that at one point. Before I started recording, it was at like $1,200. So, yeah, man. It's crazy what trading can do. I'm telling y'all, we finna go on this run. I told y'all we was gonna, I'm finna click back. I told y'all we was going to 5K, but like I said, we getting there so fast that we might have to move to go to 10. We doing the 30-day challenge, and we at almost 3K. We didn't basically double. We didn't double our account in 2 days. So we might have to move to go to 10K. I don't want to jinx myself, but most likely we have to move to go to 10K. And if we get to like 10K before like 15 days, I'm gonna move to goal again. But yeah, man, I'm gonna continue to let the trade do what it do. It's starting to come up a little bit, but we not really gonna stress it too much. But I'm gonna get back to y'all once I either get out the trade or once something more significant happens. So yeah, man, I just want to come and share that with y'all and tell y'all this is how crazy trading is, bro. Like, it be the days that you don't feel like trading, or the days you just not in the mood, that'll change everything. So stay focused, man. Even if you don't feel like it, get up. Even if that means you gotta do it from the bed, get up still. Alright, y'all, I had to come back and show y'all what's been going on. I'm finna start the screen record. Alright, as y'all can see, man, it just been dropping. Like, it just been shooting down. I just been holding through all of this. Like I said, unless it formed two strong green candlesticks, I'm not getting out, because it's just shooting down too much, and everything is in a downtrend, so there's no reason to get out. But I'm finna click back real quick so I can show y'all how much I'm up. And like I told y'all, man, we might have to move that goal. We definitely got to move the goal from 5K to 10K. But we might have to move the goal from 10K to like 15 or 20 now. Because look, we up $2,000. We basically at the goal of 5,000 already. This only day 2. And I am going to take out some money, because I don't want y'all to say that I cheated the challenge by adding an extra 300. I actually added $330. So I'm going to actually, after this trade, I'm gonna take out 500, so that's gonna be what, like 170. So I'm gonna take out the extra 170 of the profit that I made to kind of like even it out a little bit, because I don't want to feel like I cheated the challenge. But I really did it so I can be able to enter multiple trades in a day, but I don't even really need to at this point, because we up 2K. Normally, if I want to hit like 2K in a day, I normally have to take like 2-3 trades, but we didn't hit it in one trade. So, and it's continuing to go down. So yeah, but I just wanted to show y'all that we at 2K right now. I mean, it then went down a little bit, as y'all could see, but we just gonna continue to hold it until it shows like it wanna go up. And then if it do show that it wanna go up, and it just start breaking all the way through, then we might even end up making even more money to the upside. That's one good thing about trading. You can make money going down or going up, as y'all can see. But yeah, man, we up 2K. I'm chilling. Like, it's crazy. It be the days where you don't feel like doing nothing for real, that the best stuff possible play out. This shows that, like, even when you don't feel like it, bro, you have to get up. Even if it's like minimum, like the minimum effort possible, like at least get up and try. Cause like, imagine if I was like, all right, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, I'm not feeling it, I'm just not gonna trade today. I would have missed out on over $2,000. If this not the biggest, like, if this don't get you to want to lock in, bro, I don't know what will. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep letting it ride, and I'm gonna get back to y'all once we figure out if we end up getting out, or we just gonna ride this for the rest of the day. But y'all gonna see next time I get back to y'all. I'm finna just show y'all real quick, because I don't got that much storage on my camera. But we dang near halfway. Well, we is halfway there off this one trade. Look, we're up 3,700 today. Quick little trade. We at 5,800. Well, we really at 53 because I'm gonna take 500 out the 330 plus the extra money I told y'all about. So right now we at 53 technically, but this just shows 3,700. This one trade. We only on day 2, bro. Only on day 2. I might have to move the challenge up to 20K or something like that to make it fair, because we gonna hit 10K probably. I ain't gonna jinx it, but we might end up hitting 10K by the end of this week. But we definitely gonna have to move it, because even if we start taking some L's, which I don't think we gonna do just because my strategy is like just that good, we gonna hit 10K way before the 30 days. So it's like we might as well move. We probably gonna move it up. But I'm just curious where we gonna be at the end of this 30 days. Alright, y'all, it's the end of day 2. As y'all can see, I was telling y'all I wasn't really in the mood. I didn't even get up and sit at the desk. I was low-key in the bed, which is one thing that I told y'all that you probably shouldn't do when you trading, because you're not gonna be able to pay attention all the way. And that happened to me today. I don't remember how much I showed y'all I was up, but I was up a lot at one point today. So I'm finna go off the charts. Okay, first I'm gonna just show y'all this setup. This trade was just so easy. Like, I wanted to get in here. This right when market opened, it fell. Boom. I didn't end up getting into this trade until like at one of these levels right here. I got in somewhere around here, and then I just rolled it down. The only thing about it is it was moving so much. Like, it don't seem like it, but from up here to down here is a $50 move. So when it was coming down and then getting these green candlesticks back up, I was losing like $200-300 in profit. So I'll be at $600 at this red candlestick. It had formed this green candlestick. I'll be back at 3. You get what I'm saying? So it was kind of risky holding through some of this, but it was just forming a downwards move. So there's really no reason to get out. But once it had came down here, this was the $50 move. I was supposed to get out. I was up like 4,000, 4,200, something like that. I was supposed to get out around here, because one thing about the market is gonna move in dollar increments. So I knew once it got to $50, it was gonna try to come back up. It was gonna try to recover a little bit. And I didn't end up getting out right where I was supposed to. And then since it was moving up, nobody wanted to buy it. Nobody wanted to buy my contract for what I wanted to sell it for. So I ended up losing a lot of money just because I couldn't get filled at a certain price. But I'm gonna click back off real quick so I can see how much we're up on the day. Like I said, this is day 2. We only made basically 3,200, which is, don't get me wrong, that's still a great amount. Like, I'm more than grateful that I'm up 3,200, but I know that today was supposed to be a $5,000 to $6,000 day. As y'all can see, at one point I was up $4,400. So I was supposed to definitely get out right here, and this was around when the market got to that $50 low. So I'm gonna show y'all. That's why I said you gotta be paying attention in this game. But gotta be paying attention. But as y'all can see, this when I marked out the level I was showing y'all, I came all the way down here. And then another reason why I said I was supposed to make at least close to 6,000, because once it got out here, I knew that it was gonna start forming, trying to make it was gonna start trying to recover. So I was supposed to get out here and then enter into a call and at least ride it until around 3 o'clock. Which is kind of what I did. I got out somewhere in this level, and then I got in somewhere around this level, and then this big red candlestick kind of scared me a little bit, so I got out and I lost a little bit and from this move, because from here to up here, that's a $10 move. That's a lot of money, even though it doesn't seem like it. That this red candlestick was like a $400 move, so it scared me. But once I seen that it really was just like a fake pullback, I just entered again, like right here, and that's the trade that I'm still currently in. But the call that I was in, it was up $1,000 when market closed. I'm still in it because I fell asleep. I didn't get out, so I'm still in the trade right now. It was up $1,000 once market closed. It's not up $1,000 no more. It's probably up like 300-400 at most right now. So we probably gonna start the day off down a little bit of our profit starting day 3. Yeah, it's only up $300, so I done lost $700 of the profit, at least for right now. Of course, it might shoot back up when market open, but as y'all can see, if I would have got out here and then got into a call around this level and just held, I would have been good. I would have just been holding through. But we need this to, I feel like it's gonna shoot up. I'm not mad that I held, because I do feel like it's gonna shoot back up to at least this 490 level, just for the simple fact that it has to recover a little bit. But if not, we're gonna lose a little bit of the profit, and if it starts to go down, we just gonna get out and get into another put and ride it right back down to this low. But yeah, I just wanted to come tell y'all that and show y'all what was going through my mind, what I was thinking, because I really ain't record too much for y'all. Like I said, I wasn't really feeling it, but I still want to get up and explain everything to y'all. But yeah, as y'all see, the challenge is still going good, even though I know I could be at about 7,000 right now. We at 5,300. At least for right now, we at 5,300. Now day 3, we might wake up, be down a little bit more than that, but we already hit our first goal of hitting 5,000. So I told y'all we moving it to 10, and I really want to try to hit 10 by the end of this week, but we're not gonna force it. But when we hit 10, we just gonna keep moving the goal the closer we get to every time. Like every time we move the goal, if I get to 10,000, I'm just gonna move it to 20. You feel me? We just gonna see where we end up by the end of this 30 days. But yeah, man, that's the end of day 2. I'm gonna get back to y'all for day 3. We went from 2133 to 5,300. We made over $3,000 on day 2. Let's go.